Hi guys, how many times has this happened to you? You go to print and the cartridges are out. They're empty. And it's always at the most inopportune time. You're trying to get a deadline, you're printing something out for the next day, the stores are closed, etc. I'm James Ramsey, and in the next 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you how to save money with Costco's printer cartridge refill service. Well, it's happened to me a few times, which has caused me to purchase extra cartridges to keep in the office. But this can be very expensive, and you have multiple cartridges in your office uh, just sitting there taking up a lot of money. I'd heard a number of places that will refill your cartridges, but with my printer, I wasn't really keen on doing that. Well, our printer's older now, it's out of warranty, and so I've realized I'm spending a lot of money on cartridges. So today, same thing. I go to print some information. It happens to also be our fax machine, and we're out of cartridges. So my wife Megan tells me, why don't you go to Costco and refill them? Well, I'd never thought of doing that before. So I took her advice and I decided that we're going to do that. So let me share some information with you, see if it's helpful. It definitely was helpful to me, and we'll walk through this together. All right, so basically what I did is I drove to our local Costco and I went to the photo counter and I took with me the cartridges that we had. Our printer is an HP. It takes these here. For some reason, it likes the magenta and the yellow colors. We still have a blue one there. So I went to the Costco photo counter and I talked to the girl. I told her, I've never done this before. Walk me through it. So she tells me it's easy. Hand her the cartridges, which I brought with me, and fill out the information. Give your Costco card. You pay up front, and then from there, it's about 30 minutes while you wait, and they refill them. So this is what it came back. Photo Center basically comes in the same packaging as pictures. Total cost for me was $15.11 for 2 refills, including tax. Okay, and so I'm opening it up. I haven't looked at them yet. So this is what you have. The cartridge. I can't really tell where they filled it, but it's clean. There's no ink anywhere. And let's put it in the machine and see if we can get this to open up or work. All right, so we'll put this one in here. Good. And then we'll put this one in here. Good. Now we'll close it up. So now I'm getting an error saying they're non-HP cartridges, even though you saw that they were HP. So I don't know if maybe something changed when they filled them that caused them to not be recognized as HP cartridges anymore. So I edited the video just for sake of time. As you can see, it's done loading. If we click on the ink cartridges, it shows that all of those are filled except for the black, which is about half full. And it printed a page, and I can't really tell the difference between the colors. So I guess we'll see how well it does, and see if this is a viable option to refills. For the price, it definitely was. I'll put some screenshots on the differences in the prices so you can get a better idea. Appreciate you watching this video and hope that it helped you. What you'll see here are the new cartridges are $47.99 for 3 color cartridges, coming to a total of about $15.99 per cartridge. The Costco Refill service is $6.99 per cartridge, so that's just a little bit more than 50% savings. I hope this helps save you time and money. Otherwise, you can purchase new cartridges with the links below.